Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we squeeze the juice out of products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone versus the Chubery super enduring brushless motor drone. Which one will soar to victory, and which one will crash and burn? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. TOMZON P5G comes in at $159. Chubery, on the other hand, is a bit cheaper at $149. So right off the bat, Chubery saves you a Hamilton. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Let's dive deeper. Moving on to the camera. Because if your drone isn't capturing your epic fails in 4K, what's the point? TOMZON P5G boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and 120 degrees wide angle. That's some serious paparazzi grade stuff. Chubery, meanwhile, offers a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide angle. It's like comparing a Hollywood blockbuster to your cousin's home video. TOMZON takes the cake here. Next, let's talk battery life. TOMZON comes with 2 batteries giving you up to 36 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? But wait, Chubery's coming in hot with 3 upgraded batteries for a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. That's right, you can practically fly to the moon and back with Chubery. Okay, maybe not the moon, but you get the point. Now, motors and durability. Because nobody wants their drone to end up as a pancake on the pavement. TOMZON's got a high-precision GPS system and air pressure sensors making it super stable. But Chubery flexes with strong, brushless motors that resist wind and have a longer service life. Plus, it's built like a tank with upgraded composite materials. If TOMZON is a ballerina, Chubery is a linebacker. How about ease of use? TOMZON is beginner-friendly with features like headless mode and one-key fly land. It's like a drone on training wheels. Chubery, however, is packed with features like optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, and even gesture selfie. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it has 3D flips. Because why fly straight when you can do barrel rolls? Portability. Both drones weigh less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. TOMZON comes with a sleek waterproof carrying case, perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. Chubery, not to be outdone, also has a compact, foldable design, and a portable carrying case. It's like they're both ready for a vacation. But who's going to pack lighter? You decide. Customer support and warranty. Because when things go wrong, you want someone to answer your SOS. TOMZON offers a 1-year warranty with 24/7 online help. Chubery matches that with a 1-year warranty and a permanent support guarantee. It's a tie here, folks. Both companies have your back like a loyal sidekick. Based on Amazon reviews, both drones have their pros and cons. TOMZON P5G is praised for its stable flight, high-quality camera, and user-friendly features, making it a great gift for beginners. However, some users experienced connectivity issues with newer smartphones. On the other hand, Chubery is commended for its ease of use, long battery life, and robust build. It's perfect for kids and beginners, but some users reported stability issues and occasional flyaways. So there you have it, smart shoppers. TOMZON P5G GPS drone with its Hollywood-grade camera and beginner-friendly features versus Chubery super enduring brushless motor drone with its marathon flight time and robust build. Which one gets your vote? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest product showdowns. Until next time, keep flying high and always buy smart. Product links are in the description.